How to change TikTok ID password. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change TikTok ID password. In order to change your ID password, first of all, make sure that the application is completely updated. For that, head over to your Play Store and then in the search box go ahead and type in TikTok. So after you click the TikTok button here, you might be able to see update just like mine. That means the app needs to be updated. After the app is completely updated, exit out of the Play Store and then click the open button and log in into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and over here you'll have to go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon located in the top right hand side corner to go to settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, once again go to accounts, and as soon as you click the accounts button, it's going to show you the interface something here. So in order to change your password, go ahead and tap the password button. First of all, you'll need to enter in the 6-digit code that's going to be sent to your SMS. As you can see, this is the one, so and then paste it right over here. As you're done entering the information here, you can see that you'll be able to change your password. Accordingly, there are also instructions on what kind of characters you should mentioned. So that's how you can change your TikTok ID password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.